Welcome to our daily dose of joy. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic, beauty. It's something we encounter every day, in countless forms. It captivates our senses and stirs our emotions. But have you ever stopped to ponder why we perceive some individuals as more attractive than others? We all have that friend who gushes over a celebrity while we just don't see it. Or maybe we've been captivated by someone who doesn't fit conventional beauty standards. This begs the question, what truly makes a person attractive? Is it a matter of objective qualities, or is it something far more subjective and elusive? Let's unravel this mystery together. Beauty, as they say, is in the eye of the beholder. This age-old adage hints at the complex interplay of factors that shape our perceptions. It's a captivating blend of science, culture, psychology, and personal experiences, all intertwined. Get ready for a thought-provoking exploration of why certain people seem to effortlessly draw our gaze. Join me as we delve into the captivating world of attraction, where we'll uncover the surprising reasons behind our perceptions of beauty. Prepare to be amazed by the science, the cultural influences, and the unexpected twists that make this topic so fascinating. Our brains are wired to notice patterns and make snap judgments. When it comes to attraction, we subconsciously process a cascade of visual cues within milliseconds. These cues trigger a chain reaction of thoughts and emotions that ultimately determine our level of interest. But what are these mysterious cues that hold so much sway over our perceptions? Scientists believe that a combination of factors, including facial symmetry, body proportions, and even subtle cues like skin tone and hair texture, contribute to our initial assessment of attractiveness. Imagine seeing a face that's perfectly symmetrical. Our brains are naturally drawn to such balance and harmony. Studies have shown that we tend to associate symmetry with good genes and overall health. It's like our subconscious is whispering, "This person looks healthy and vibrant." Of course, attraction goes beyond just physical features. Our personalities, experiences, and cultural backgrounds all play a role in shaping our preferences. We're drawn to people who resonate with us on an emotional and intellectual level. The way someone carries themselves, their sense of humor, and their kindness can be incredibly attractive qualities. Our genes lay the foundation for our physical appearance, influencing everything from our eye color and height to our bone structure and facial features. These genetic blueprints are passed down through generations, carrying with them a legacy of ancestral traits. But our genes don't tell the whole story. Culture acts as a powerful sculptor, shaping our perceptions of beauty from a young age. We're bombarded with images from magazines, movies, and social media that promote certain ideals of attractiveness. These ideals can vary drastically from one culture to another, highlighting the subjective nature of beauty. For instance, in some cultures, a curvier figure is considered the epitome of beauty, while in others, a more slender physique is preferred. Similarly, tanned skin might be coveted in one culture, while porcelain skin is celebrated in another. These contrasting ideals demonstrate how culture influences our tastes and preferences. The interplay of genes and culture creates a fascinating tapestry of beauty, where diverse features and characteristics are celebrated around the world. It's a reminder that beauty is not a one-size-fits-all concept, but rather a multifaceted and ever-evolving phenomenon. Symmetry plays a surprisingly significant role in our perception of attractiveness. Our brains are hardwired to favor balanced proportions, whether it's in a painting, a piece of music, or a human face. But why are we so drawn to symmetry? One theory suggests that symmetry serves as an indicator of genetic fitness. A face that's symmetrical suggests that the individual has developed in a healthy and balanced manner, free from major genetic disruptions. This subconscious association between symmetry and good genes might explain why we find symmetrical faces more appealing. Interestingly, studies have shown that we tend to perceive symmetrical faces as more trustworthy and approachable. This suggests that our attraction to symmetry might extend beyond just physical appeal, influencing our social judgments as well. Think about it. When we encounter someone with a symmetrical face, we're more likely to perceive them as friendly, reliable, and even intelligent. This halo effect associated with symmetry can have a significant impact on our interactions with others. Beyond the surface, unveiling the science behind attraction. While physical features undoubtedly play a role in attraction, there's a fascinating world of subconscious cues at play that we might not even be aware of. Our bodies and brains are constantly sending and receiving subtle signals that influence our perceptions of potential partners. Pheromones, for instance, are odorless chemicals that we release into the air, carrying subconscious messages about our immune system and genetic makeup. These chemical messengers can trigger attraction or repulsion in potential mates, influencing our compatibility on a biological level. Research has also shown that we're drawn to individuals with different immune system genes from our own. This subconscious preference for genetic diversity ensures healthier offspring with stronger immune systems. It's like our bodies are working behind the scenes to ensure the survival of our species. Beyond pheromones and genetics, even our voices can influence attraction. Studies have shown that we tend to prefer voices that are similar in pitch to our own. This suggests that vocal cues might play a role in establishing rapport and building connection. Culture's kaleidoscope, reshaping beauty ideals across time and space. Our perceptions of beauty are far from static. They're constantly evolving under the influence of cultural shifts, media representations, and societal norms. What was considered the epitome of beauty a century ago might be perceived as outdated or even unattractive today. Take, for instance, the idealized body image of women throughout history. From the voluptuous curves celebrated in Renaissance paintings to the slender silhouettes favored in the 1920s, beauty standards have fluctuated dramatically over time. These shifts reflect changing social values, cultural influences, and even economic conditions. Similarly, beauty ideals can vary drastically from one culture to another. In some cultures, facial piercings and elaborate tattoos are seen as signs of beauty and status, while in others, they might be perceived as rebellious or unconventional. These contrasting ideals highlight the subjective nature of beauty and the powerful influence of culture. The media plays a significant role in shaping our perceptions of beauty, often perpetuating unrealistic beauty standards that can be detrimental to our self-esteem. It's important to remember that the images we see in magazines and on social media are often heavily edited and airbrushed, creating an unattainable ideal. The halo effect and beyond. The perks of being perceived as attractive. It's no secret that attractive individuals often enjoy certain advantages in life. Studies have shown that people who are perceived as attractive are more likely to be hired for jobs, receive promotions, and even get away with minor infractions. This phenomenon, known as the halo effect, highlights the unconscious biases we hold based on physical appearance. But the benefits of attractiveness extend beyond just superficial advantages. Research suggests that attractive individuals tend to have better social skills, higher self-esteem, and even greater earning potential. This might be because attractive people are often treated more favorably from a young age, leading to increased confidence and social opportunities. However, it's important to acknowledge that the relationship between attractiveness and success is complex and multifaceted. While attractiveness might open doors, it's ultimately our talents, work ethic, and character that determine our long-term success and fulfillment. Moreover, it's crucial to recognize that beauty comes in all shapes, sizes, and forms. Focusing solely on physical attractiveness can blind us to the inner beauty, kindness, and intelligence that make individuals truly special. Section 8. The allure of the unexpected, when imperfections enhance appeal. While symmetry and conventional beauty standards often capture our attention, there's something undeniably captivating about imperfections. These unique quirks and flaws add character, intrigue, and a touch of realism to our perceptions of beauty. Think about a model with a gap-toothed smile or an actor with a charmingly crooked nose. These imperfections, far from detracting from their attractiveness, often enhance it, making them more memorable and relatable. They remind us that perfection is an illusion and that true beauty lies in our individuality. In a world obsessed with airbrushing and filters, it's refreshing to encounter individuals who embrace their imperfections. These quirks make us human, adding depth, personality, and a sense of authenticity to our interactions. So, the next time you find yourself captivated by someone's unique features, remember that imperfections can be incredibly attractive. They challenge our preconceived notions of beauty and remind us that true allure lies in the embrace of our authentic selves. Section 9. Beauty's elusive nature, embracing subjectivity and individuality. As we've explored the multifaceted nature of beauty, one thing becomes clear: it's a profoundly subjective and personal experience. What one person finds alluring, another might find unremarkable. Our individual preferences are shaped by a complex interplay of biology, culture, personal experiences, and even our current mood. Think about it. A song that moves you to tears might leave your friend cold. A painting that captivates your imagination might seem dull to someone else. Beauty is not an objective truth. It's a feeling, an emotional response that's unique to each individual. This subjectivity is what makes beauty so fascinating and endlessly debatable. It's a constant source of conversation, inspiration, and even disagreement. But rather than striving for a universal standard of beauty, perhaps the true joy lies in embracing the diversity of perspectives and celebrating what we personally find beautiful. So, the next time you find yourself questioning someone else's taste or feeling insecure about your own perceived flaws, remember that beauty is subjective. Embrace your individuality, celebrate what makes you unique, and find joy in the knowledge that there are as many perceptions of beauty as there are people in the world. Section 10. A tapestry of beauty celebrating diversity and challenging norms. In a world often obsessed with narrow beauty standards, it's more important than ever to celebrate the diversity of beauty that exists in all its forms. From the graceful curves of a plus-size model to the striking features of an androgynous individual, true beauty knows no bounds. Let's challenge the notion that beauty fits into a neat little box. Let's celebrate the unique features, cultural backgrounds, and personal styles that make each individual special. Let's create a world where everyone feels seen, valued, and beautiful in their own skin. Imagine a world where magazines feature models of all shapes, sizes, and ethnicities. Imagine a world where social media feeds are filled with images that celebrate diversity and challenge conventional beauty norms. Imagine a world where everyone feels empowered to embrace their individuality and express their unique beauty without fear of judgment. It's time to redefine beauty on our own terms, embracing a more inclusive and empowering definition that celebrates the tapestry of human diversity. Let's create a world where everyone feels confident, radiant, and beautiful just the way they are. Section 11. Join the conversation. Share your thoughts on beauty standards. So there you have it, a glimpse into the captivating world of beauty and attraction. We've explored the science, the cultural influences, and the unexpected twists that shape our perceptions. But the conversation doesn't end here. What are your thoughts on beauty standards? Have you ever challenged conventional notions of attractiveness? Share your experiences and perspectives in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going, fostering a space of open dialogue, respect, and appreciation for the diversity of beauty that surrounds us. Remember, true beauty lies not in conforming to unrealistic ideals, but in embracing our individuality and celebrating what makes us unique.